adhere to first-class management, produce first-class products, provide first-class service, create first-class business. Henan Hongqi New Materials Company Limited inherits excellence to create a better future. Henan Hongqi New Material Company Limited is located in Hongqi Economic Development Zone, Linzhou City, Henan Province. The company has more than 3 billion fixed assets and covers an area of more than 1,000 acres. There are more than 1,000 employees in the company. The company was founded in 2003 with an annual output of 100,000 tons of ultra-high-power graphite electrodes. The company has 4 fully automatic advanced electrode machining production lines. Fully automatic, high-precision body and joint processing line. Automatic joint technical indicators are in place. Advanced processing equipment, a full set of special measuring tools. Every product is inspected and recorded. The monthly output of graphite electrode is 10,000 tons. The world's advanced full laboratory testing equipment laboratory. The testing equipment is very complete and the quality testing system is leading. The factory mainly produces raw materials and semi-finished products. Finished product inspection, sampling analysis, and throughout the production process, providing a data foundation for improving production technology. 2 cans of 24 cans of calciner. The calcining equipment is advanced and the product quality is stable. The electrode forming machine has a 3,500-ton vertical squat extrusion table, a 1,600-ton press, and a heavy-duty 4,100-ton vertical squat extrusion table. The press has advanced functions of electrode and reel synchronous shear to ensure stable performance before and after the product, with an annual output of 100,000 tons of. There are 6 workshops for the existing 18-chamber ring baking roaster. The horizontal impregnation system has 2 workshops and 4 production lines. The new impregnation tank has good equipment operation, which can further improve the internal structure of the product and improve product performance. The annual output is 200,000 tons. 320 indoor stream graphitization furnaces, fully automatic suction cranes, filling materials, all are equipped with 24,000 kVA transformers with advanced transformer protection and cooling system. The annual output is 150,000 tons. The company has an advanced electric trapping and desulfurization environmental protection system, which meets the minimum emission standards of the domestic carbon industry. It is a carbon industry enterprise with environmental protection benchmarking enterprises in Henan Province, with well-placed safety management and fire protection facilities. The company produces 100,000 tons of ultra-high-power graphite electrodes annually. With excellent service and excellent product quality, the company sells well in more than 20 provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions in China, and is exported to more than 20 countries and regions, such as Southeast Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. Henan Hongqi New Material Company Limited, your most reliable graphite electrode manufacturer.